Hey y'all, this is Cindy. I'm the Tireless Tangler, and you've arrived at day 27 of the 100 Days of Zentangle Project 2020. Thank you all so much for being with me today. Whether you are new and just jumping in or have been with me from the beginning, it doesn't matter. Pick a day, get a tile or some drawing supplies, and just dive in. All right? Even though each tangle we do does tend to build on something we've done from a previous video, you do not have to have done them all. You can just jump in whenever you want. All right. So today's tangle is called LEUR or LEUR or LEUR. I don't know. It is by Julie Isaac. And it is another one of those very simple tangles that leave tons and tons of embellishment opportunities. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this tile how she does this in the step out. And then I'm going to show you a couple of variations really quickly. And then it will be on to embellishing for you and me. So Julie starts this by making some slightly curved little C shapes, if you will. Doesn't matter where you put them. You want them a little ways away from the edge of your tile. Let me move this. I think our contrast will be better. And then you just make these however you like. They can be flat or they can be really curvy. It doesn't matter. You can't get it wrong. Isn't that wonderful? I always love it when I can't get stuff wrong. That just takes so much pressure off of me. All right, we stuffed them in there kind of in together, but it's going to work out okay. Next thing to do is just put a little dot right in the center. Of course, I'm going to leave my little highlight on there. And then we're going to connect these up to this. Now, whether you're a lefty or a righty, this is going to work. And if you want to start here and go this way, you can. Or if you're a lefty and you want to start here and go down, you may do that as well. I am, of course, not a lefty. So I'm going to do what's comfortable for me. I'm just going to draw a slightly curved line from the left edge down. Now, if you're a lefty, you're going to probably want to approach this the other way, and it'll be the right edge. Okay. We're going to leave the other edge blank. We're going to move to the next one, the right edge or the left. And we're going to try to curl these around sort of like we did in Cadent. We're going to take off from a straight line, but we're going to land by curving around this middle. Okay, this is it. Go from there to each next section. Do a slightly curved line and land in your little dot in the middle. Just a slightly curved line. Okay, almost done. You can already see this is going to be something cool. And you can see it really doesn't matter how closely packed or loose these are. Simba says, hey everybody. He's having lunch. He got a treat today. He got a ham bone from our dinner today, and he is enjoying chomping on that very loudly. All right, so in the step out, the next step is to take this other side, whichever side you're on that is free, and you're just going to tuck it down here with a slightly curved line as if it were going to hook around the middle section. Okay, so turn your tile each time and just give a little curved line in there. I did get those a little bit close together, but it's still going to work. He is enjoying that ham bone a lot, I'm telling you. He enjoyed the ham too. All right. This is your basic tangle, LEUR or whatever you want to call it. I did not notice any pronunciations in there, so I'm not worrying about it. This is the basic thing. Now, what are the differing ways? And she does have a variation in her step out, and that is just on the very last step. So this is what happens if you don't tuck your last step in behind, and you have these little spots coming out that you can decorate separately, or however you want to do that. You know, however you want to do that. The other thing that you can change is the size of your internal whatever. Change the size of your center orb. Okay. Simple, simple. These curved sort of C strokes and an orb in the middle. Okay, and then once again. Okay, the next thing that you can play with to see if that makes a difference to the look of this is these these top curl, or the top C shapes. So what if we did this instead and turn them out instead of in? Let's find out if this will work. This time I just inverted my top shape. And then again, you can cross them or you can just tuck them in behind. And you have something completely different. And then of course you can do your flower flicks. You can you know, decorate it differently like that. You can put orbs in. The other thing that I did playfully was to give a little sort of a tubular look by closing these top sections in. And that gives another fun embellishing thought. Yeah? So at this point, you can do stripes. You can do orbs up one side if you want. You can have, before, if you want, you can have stuff coming out of here like little fescues or mucas, and then you can close in your tube shape so that they're coming out of there. Lots and lots and lots and lots of embellishing possibilities. I just see this and I want to decorate. So I've brought you another one to decorate today. What will we have when we're finished, guys? I am going to, as yesterday, finish my tile, and you may hang out with me or not. It is up to you. And those of you who do, thank you very much. I want to give a shout out to my new friends in North England, and another shout out to, is it Julianne, who lives in Ireland, and all of my new peeps. I appreciate you guys so much. All right, let's get started. Bye.